Hey, this is Jul Cardoza. Yeah. I'm talking to you guys today, bringing you guys a slight problem that you might have with your lawn mower. This is here a Briggs and Stratton engine, Pull-On Pro brand, Electrolux deck, self-propelled 21-inch mower, right? Now, you have several parts to the mower. You have the whole entire engine, and you have the deck, you have wheels, you have a area that is known as the place of the choker, and some of the idler, and some of the other parts that are remaining, just names that you can't really even imagine. All right. Now I'm going to show you what's going on with this mower today, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. All right. So observe the starting. Watch this. It will start. Right. It will start. It starts to fizzle out a little bit. Now, if you observe a slight adjustment to a spring that brings out this here, it will start even more effectively. And I was spraying it with some starter fluid, but I won't even eat it. What I am starting to touch there is the choke area, right? It's got this spring here, and it's got this piece here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a very trusty thing that you must have at all times in your possession. I'm going to touch something called a WD-40. Every true guy needs to have some sort of WD-40 on him. Now this is a very good brand of WD-40. It's WD-40 Classic. It is a spray two-way, and it has a very fancy nozzle there. Spend your extra dollar, spend it, because you either lose this red piece or you have a lot of trouble. So what you want to do is you want to spray right in the area that is getting stuck, or tight rather. Just spray a little bit down in there. All these little parts here, they get all gooky and dirty, and they don't properly move. Up here, here, down there, especially this piece here. Now I've taken the liberty to loosen up this piece here with a very special wrench. So what you want to do is now, you want to go ahead and tighten this. Well, first you can tighten with your fingers. You want to tighten that down on there, really good. And I've already sprayed the WD-40 down on there, yon piece. I'm going to tighten it up really good, just so it sits in the right spot. Now, go to prop this here. And I'm going to start it up and watch it go. Ask yourself, why does it keep doing that? Well, this here spring over time gets very, very weak, and if it's not in the right setting, it doesn't pull back this lever like so at all. It doesn't even move. It's so rickety there that it's not just too tight. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that that is perfectly able to pull back this choke ever so slightly. Once it gets there, it gets the proper airflow. Then you can mow anywhere you want, especially across the grass that needs to be cut.